Okay, boys and girls, this is a continuation of the other story. The story we just read, the hot rod messes up. I didn't realize there was another page, so here we go again. Page number 9. Why are the words on the curved lines? So when you look at the picture of the story, there's some words that, as they're kicking the ball around, they have words on the curved line. So you have to decide why you think the author put those words on the line. Do you think it's because they are just to explain what is happening in the picture? Is it a caption to explain what's happening in the picture? Because they're important words from the story to show the words from the play that each boy says as he kicks the ball, or to show how exciting it is to play soccer. Number 10. What does panted mean? Well, dogs pant, like when they're hot, right? So is it to shout a lot, to take a deep breath, to breathe hard, or to wear pants? Well, wear pants, we know that's not it. Number 11. Icky says it keeps us on the ball, and why is that like a joke? Because they get to play the game, or Icky is making a pun. They are on the ball, kicking it, and at the same time on the ball, learning their lines. Because no one can really be sitting on the ball, you just kick it. And because the ball is for soccer and not for learning lines in a play. Okay, so this is also due on Wednesday, okay? So we'll go over the answers on Wednesday. So I'll do another, well, we can continue here with the spelling. So these are your spelling words. Let me do it this way. These are your spelling words. Feather, instead, healthy, steak, breakfast, meant, breathe, or actually breath, heavy, great, kind, thread, cold, break, already, and weather. And you will notice that the EA sound, we've already discussed that when we make a long E sound, it's either EE or EA. And most of the time when two vowels do the walking, the first vowel does the talking. So normally it would be an E sound, but these words are what we call the trickers, right? So they trick you into thinking that's how you should say them, but there's some words in the English language that don't follow the same rule. So these are some words like that. So they make an eh sound, a short E sound. So the EA, you don't say feather, you say feather. You don't say instead, you say instead. You don't say healthy, you say healthy. And so the EA here actually makes an A sound in steak. Doesn't make an eh sound either. So there's exceptions to every rule. Breakfast, not breakfast, right? And great and steak are two examples of that A sound instead of the short E or the long E. Heavy, breath, meant, all. You don't say meat, you don't say brief, you don't say heavy, you say heavy. Breath, meant. Weather, not weather. Already, not already. Break, so break is one of those break, great, and steak that make an A sound. There are a few words like that. Cold and thread, not threed, right? Okay, so I want you to, as usual, write these words 3 times each for Monday. On Tuesday, you're going to, as if you were doing homework, but you can do it during the day. You don't have to do it during homework. So on Tuesday, I want you to write them in ABC order. So you can use, if you have this paper, I think you took this home. You took this home, you can do it on this paper. If not, just write it on another paper in a journal or whatever. And on Wednesday, pick 6 and write 6 sentences. That's like the same spelling homework we usually do, okay? Thank you.